So hello everyone, today we are doing the next topic of measures of money supply. So we are doing only M1, right? In M1 there is a short form to remember, C plus DD plus OD. C refers to currency notes and coins with the public, and DD refers to demand deposits of commercial bank, and OD refers to other deposits with RBI. Starting with currency notes and coins with currency notes and coins with the public. It includes all the currency money and the coins which are there with the public, right? And it consists of coins of denominations rupees 1, 2, 5, etc. and currency notes of rupees 2000, 500, 100, etc. and currency money is also called as fiat money. Currency money is also called as fiat money, that is the money which under the law is acceptable for payment of all debts, and it is also called as a legal tender money, right? उसके बाद आता है हमारा डिमांड डिपॉजिट्स ऑफ कमर्शियल बैंक्स. The demand deposits refers to, what do you mean by demand deposits में लिखोगे, demand deposits refers to a deposit account on which a check can be written, and these are also called as checkable deposits. These are also called as checkable deposits, as writing a check on such account. Writing a check enables the depositor to either make the payment directly or withdraw cash and then make a payment, and these demand deposits are referred to as demand deposits because the amount in such deposit accounts is payable on demand. That is, the money which is there in such demand deposits can be paid or can be withdrawn and then paid on demand. And next we come upon the other deposits with the RBI. Here I also have written the content which was not there on that sheet for demand deposits, right? So other deposits with RBI. So other deposits with RBI, इसके अंदर क्या आएगा, that it includes all the deposits which are held by RBI on behalf of foreign government and bank, public financial institutions, World Bank, etc. and other deposits also. Other deposits does not include the deposits with commercial bank and Indian government, right? So also there are 2 points which are essential for MCQs, that M1 is also known as a narrow concept of money supply. It is a narrow concept of money supply, and secondly it is the most liquid concept.